This is gonna blow your mind. Your Tesla Model S isn't turning on and you're not alone. Here's what's really happening under the hood. First up, check your key fob. If the battery's dead or the fob isn't nearby, the car won't start. Try replacing the key fob battery or using your phone as a key. Next, look at the main battery charge. If you've run it down to zero, your Tesla simply won't turn on. Plug it in and let it charge for a while. Don't forget the 12-volt battery. Even though your Tesla has a huge battery for driving, the small 12-volt battery starts the computer systems. If this battery dies, your Model S might not wake up. Also, check your gear. Make sure you're pressing the brake pedal firmly when you try to start the car. Sometimes, it's just that simple. Lastly, software glitches can happen. Try resetting the car by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. If none of these work, it might be time to call Tesla support. Remember, even the most high-tech cars can have small hiccups. Now you know why your Tesla Model S might not start, and what to do next.